Guten Tag. Hey, Poor Choices Kitchen. Today we are making some bratwurst. The reason we're making bratwurst today is because I've got leftover bacon jam and I don't want it to go to waste. And if you want to know how to make this bacon jam, you can watch the cheeseburger slider video that I made where I made this lovely little thing. Also, by the way, if you are making bacon jam, it's good for a week, but we're going to use it the day after. So this recipe is extremely easy. I don't know how it could get any easier this other than just like a video where I'm boiling water, which I might get desperate enough to make that. But we're gonna smoke these today instead of cooking them over a high heat. We're gonna do it similar to how we did our hot dogs. I've still got bourbon because, you know, it's only been like 24 hours since the last video. And it's just that simple. It's gonna go on, it's gonna smoke for about an hour and a half. It's gonna come off, we'll warm up our bacon jam in a pan, we'll put it together, and then that's it. I'm bullshitting today, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I am phoning it in, but it's gonna be delicious. We have got our grill up to 250 degrees. I'm using my Traeger today just because it's so easy. Why complicate things? But you can use any grill. The most important thing is just maintaining that 250 degrees and getting a little bit of smoke. I'm running a blend of like hickory and pecan and stuff today, but you can use some cherry, some apple wood, whatever your favorite wood is, go for that. So I've got my brats. I'm literally just going to place them on here. And most of you are probably used to doing brats hot and fast, which is totally fine, but they're really, really good at taking in smoke flavor. So I'm just placing them in here, no particular type of way. And then all we're gonna do is literally just let them do their thing for the next hour and a half. About midway through, I'll come up and flip them over, and then they'll be done. And then we just put the bacon jam on top and eat it. It's just that easy. I feel like I should do something else. I don't know what to do, but I'll figure it out. An hour and a half has gone by. Again, maintaining that 250 degrees. And also let me just point out, that was indirect cooking. Just for those of you who are using charcoal grills, set it up for indirect cooking. But we're done. This video is gonna be like 3 minutes long, but it's as simple as just taking a bun, taking your brats, putting in said bun. Again, we have this leftover bacon jam here. That smells absolutely amazing. Heated, reheated back up. And I am about to devour this. Oh, that burst. Hold on. Hold on. I took a big bite, hold on. Wait a bit longer. Man, that bacon jam and the brats and that smoke flavor is really, really seeped in there. That's so good. I wish this video wasn't this simple. If anybody wants to learn how to boil water, I guess stick around because I don't have much more content. Poor Choices Kitchen, brats, bacon jam, absolute winner.